million. Oh no.
Million? We don't have a million.
This ticket every 200 baht can discount 30 baht. Okay. When you
Okay.
check bin, then this one you can give to our staff. Then they can discount.
So if we eat more than 200 baht, we can get 30 baht
Yes.
discount. Okay.
Okay. Thank you
So we'll just wait here?
Yes, wait here
Okay.
first. We have to wait for transfer accent to the restaurant.
Okay. Kapun kap. So we just arrived here at SAMET NANGSHE and we just paid the fee, transfer fee up there, and we're just waiting for the transfer now. So the cost is 50 baht per person if you're going to just visit there to eat some lunch. They have some accommodations available. I tried to find a room, but on the dates that we are going to Krabi, they don't have an available. I was thinking of staying for one night just to experience it. The place has changed since the last time I was here. The parking space is cemented already. Before it was not. They made it more organized for their guests. This has become so popular already. And for those who are in the Krabi area, Phuket, Phang Nga, most of them are visiting this place. We'll show you the beautiful view later. This is their transfer service, going up and going down. How are you feeling now, Abby? Sakit pa rin ngipin mo?
Yes. It's not okay actually. Sobrang sakit ng ngipin. Hindi siya dahil sa something. Yung gums niya, I think, na-expose yung teeth. So, kaya naging sensitive siya. Kaya sumakit. And then it goes to my head. So, sobrang sakit din ang ulo ko. So, that's my problem now. 3 days already. And I researched last night until 4 weeks daw siya. So, that's why maybe later we need to find some dental clinic.
Okay, we're here. And we just arrived here. We're going to have lunch now. I'll show you the beautiful Phang Nga Bay view later. I'll give you a peek. And Hubbee is looking for a table for us with a nice view. So this is our lunch. I will have some pizza. We just had the cream mushroom soup, and Hubbee will have the pusit and this cute rice over here. And this is our drink. And ta-da! Let's eat.
That is so cute. And we are now here at, what do you call this one? I forgot the place.
SAMET NANGSHE.
Yes, and it's so nice in it.
So nice. That's the
That's
Phang Nga
the-
Bay.
Yeah. Look at that.
It's part of where you can find the James Bond Island.
Really nice view with a nice cave. So nice. Dang, 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 dang.
driver used to drive for us in my previous company. So his name is Boy. While I was planning this trip, I was looking to see if I can get a better transfer service from Phuket to Krabi. I remembered him, so I tried to find his contact, and I saw it and I contacted him, and I thought for so many years maybe he's not doing transfer service anymore, but he responded and he said he can do it. So I tried to book the service with him, and that's how we got him. I'm glad to have someone I'm familiar with to take us from Phuket to Krabi. And according to him, he was working with a bank during the pandemic when the tourism was hit so bad by this situation. But he just quit his job last month, and now he's back in providing transfer service. So we'll try to link his Facebook below if anyone wants any good transfer service, good driver, good driving anywhere in Phuket, or if you want to go somewhere nearby the province. Phang Nga, Krabi, I think he can do that. So it's so funny, we're here at McDonald's, and this is where our first meal in Krabi will be. And the first time we were in Krabi many years ago, this is also the first meal we had. What? And another funny thing is the first day we were in Krabi, it was raining, and today it was raining also. What? So it's just the same Krabi story we're having right now. Hopefully tomorrow is going to be a good weather. And it's 7:30 already. We decided to just eat first before doing all the stuff we need to do. And we're just gonna rest tonight, recharge after a long travel from Phuket. How much for Fifi Island? Just one day tour.
When you book a trip, we take you on the speedboat to Phi Island. You book for 1,500 baht per person.
Maya Bay is open already.
Not open yet. Take you by boat, take pictures, swimming outside, only packet of tourists. Yeah. And we stop in Jeju Island about 1 hour, go to Mackee Beach, Waiting Cave, Phang Bay, and lunch in Pipidon Center, and come back about 4 p.m. Pick up about 8 a.m. at your hotel. And from here to get into Phi about 42 kilometers, 45 minutes as we go.
Is the weather good these days?
Yesterday and today is like this.
Okay.
And this morning is okay, no rain and cloudy and can go out. Only late afternoon. I think tomorrow is really okay.
We did this 4 islands before already. How much is the Hong Island?
It's not so far from here. You can take a long tour boat about 45 minutes, and you book for 1 person per person.
Hello. We haven't done so much vlogs since we arrived in Krabi yesterday. We feel so tired. Maybe our energy got exhausted while we were in Phuket because we were there for 5 days and we did a lot. We did some activities. I guess that exhausted all of our energies. And yesterday, after visiting SAMET NANGSHE, it was a long travel and it was raining the whole time, so it was gloomy. So the mood kind of turned into a sleepy mood. So when we arrived at the hotel, we booked at Sea Seeker Hotel. It's one of the newest hotels here in Krabi. I liked how it looked in Agoda, and I booked a room that has a mountain view, which I really like here in Krabi because they're stunning and beautiful, and that makes you feel like you're close to nature. But as soon as we got off from the van, we were welcomed by the staff and said that they're closed. What? And I was taken aback with that information because I think someone from Agoda called me while I was in Phuket just to confirm with my booking, and I said yes, I will be arriving this. She asked what time we'll be arriving. I said between 2 to 4. So I thought everything is okay. Now I received the email confirmation, so I had no idea that that would be the situation. So we were told that there's a construction happening beside the hotel and it's not going to be convenient for their guests, so they're moving all of their guests to their sister hotel, which is this hotel. I forgot the name. Panan Resort. It's not a bad hotel. It's a little bit higher in terms of level, they're much closer to the beach, more convenient. So I was like, okay, not bad. And we were told that we will be upgraded into a sea view room. And I was like, okay, I've seen the sea so many times already for the past few days, and I'm like, I just want to be close to a mountain. But it was already evening, and I was like, okay, let me see the view the next day. We checked it out last night, and it was so many buildings and roofs, and we were like, this is not the room. But it was late already. I just called the staff and said, can we move to another room which has a mountain view? I checked their website, they have, and I was told that we can look at it in the morning after our breakfast. We were just fixing our stuff, transferring files and data, because my phone is full already. So that's what we did last night. And then I slept around 4 a.m. because for some reason, transferring the files from my phone to my laptop took so long, like exaggeratedly long. And I have no choice but to do it because I wouldn't be able to use my phone, so I had to stay late. Hubbee had to sleep early because he's really struggling with his toothache. And we woke up early because we have to get our breakfast. And I was struggling when he woke me up, and I was like, do I sleep more or do I eat? Those are two important things. And of course, breakfast won. And then after breakfast, we approached the front desk and asked if we can check out the room. They accommodated our request. They brought us into where we are staying right now, and it has a mountain view. So, and the space is much better. We liked it. We decided to move our stuff here and move here. And we were just lying on bed, trying to relax, recharge. The weather is still gloomy, and we decided not to do any tour today because most of the activities you have to do by sea travel. And the weather is not good. So we decided not to do anything. So now, instead of just getting stuck in the room, we decided, let's go out. It's not raining, it's gloomy, but it's not raining, so we have a chance to walk around, check out some things that have changed here in Krabi from the last time we were here. So we're going to the Phang Nga beach, we're going to wherever our feet will take us and see what we can do, and hopefully we can enjoy the rest of the afternoon outside and not stay in the hotel. So I'm just gonna complete my preparation and we'll leave the hotel. Time to explore Krabi. We're prepared.
We're now here in Aonang and konti lang yung tao. Hala, do you remember the first time we here in Aonang? Nagpunta rin tayo dito sa beach na to, no? Oh, close na!
Dito tayo tumambay after.
Tumambay dati, di ba? And then, may mga ladyboy pa dito. Ang saya kasi may mga may mga show.